So this is the Catia interface, and in this there will be so many modules. For example, if you go here, go to start. This is infrastructure regarding modules. This is mechanical design. You have part design, assembly design, sketcher, part design, assembly design, sketcher. I have functional tolerancing, well design, mold tool design, structure design, 2D layout, drafting, grid design, core and cavity design, healing assistant, functional molded parts, sheet metal production processes, and other included modules as well. Wireframe surface design and composite design and everything. And if you go to shape, there is freestyle, sketcher, and there are other shape editors and modules. So these are all the different modules available in this thing. If we go to analysis, there are analysis tools. There is machining. This is digital mockups, equipment and systems. Yeah, and there are other simulations and other modules as well. This is ergonomics. This is knowledge advisor, and these are other options available in Catia. Okay, so let's look into Sketcher. We'll go to mechanical design and Sketcher. So you will get to the Sketcher module where you can do all the sketching part. Okay, and part design modeling is different and Sketcher is different. This is just a Sketcher one. Okay, so here it is as per new one. Click OK. Okay, and then it will open the Sketcher module. Okay, in the Sketcher module you can do all the sketchings, and you can it is only for 2D drawings. Okay, so this is your part module. I'll go for sketch. I'll select sketch and I'll select my plane, and I have come into the Sketcher module. Okay, so these are the toolbars I am using. I can adjust this wherever I want. Okay, and this is profile option. In the Sketcher you have other things. This is constraint toolbar. So where you can create constraints, contact constraints, fix auto constraint and all. This is animate constraint. Okay, this is profile you just need to draw, and this is predefined shapes: rectangle, parallelogram, and hexagon, keyhole, profile, and all these things. And next is circle. These are the different ways in which you can draw a circle. This is a conic, and you have a spline, you have lines, axis, and points. Okay, these are the different operations. So these are the operations that you perform in SketchUp. Okay, let's see each and every option. First we'll go with profile. Profile, you are free to draw anywhere. Okay, and if you want to draw a curve, here, here, so you can draw a curve like this. So here, this is how you can draw a open profile. Okay, on the run you can have lines and you can have curves both as well. So that is how you use this profile. So this is all about that profile command. Okay, so this is profile, and if you want to draw a rectangle, one corner, this is one corner, and here I have my rectangle. Okay, and there are other ways to draw a rectangle. This is by 3 points. First point, with the second point I defined my line, with the third point I defined my, that was my length. With this I defined my breadth. So this is about 3-point rectangle. This is a parallelogram. This is my parallelogram. You can control this angle and these two lines will always be parallel. Okay, and that is what is these two lines. This is parallelogram. These two lines are parallel and these two lines are parallel, just they are not 90 degrees to each other. So this is your parallelogram. And then we have this elongated hole. Elongated hole is like as a normal hole, but it's just a slot. Okay, this is generally given like this, where first you mention the distance between the two centers and you can then update the radius of this circle, of this arc. This is generally given, where elongated holes are generally used because if you want to have the flexibility, let's say if the other end is a hole and you fixed it, and you sometimes there will be a difference in the position of the other hole. That is when you use this elongated hole, so that you give the other end a small margin, so that the same part can be used in many other variants, not just one. They can be used in many other variants as well, so that it can reduce the diversity and the new number of parts.